Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Stripe. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google, and after going there, simply we need to search for this Stripe. So as you can see, I've already searched for it, and after that, simply we have to click on the sign up. So I'm going to click on the sign up, and after clicking on the sign up, we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. So as you can see now, the Stripe is here. Now simply what I'm going to do, we have to click on the create account. So let's click on the create account. And after clicking on this, now we have to provide these details. As you can see, these options are provided here. Like we need to provide the email address. So I'm going to write my email address here, and then we have to provide our full name here. And after that, we have to choose our country. For example, I'm going to choose my country. My country isn't available here. You have to choose your own country. And after choosing that, simply you have to provide the country, and then you have to provide the password here. You have generated password. And for example, I'm going to provide the country and password here. And then I'm going to select this one, and then simply you have to click on the create account. And after clicking on this, as you can see, now the account will be created. And now what we need to do, simply we have to verify our email. So I'm going to click on the open Gmail. So let's click on the open. Now let's click on the verify email. So as you can see, now the email address is verified. Now we can use our Stripe account. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now we have to complete our profile. So we have to click on the complete your profile. So as you can see, now it's here. Now we have to click on the continue. We have to provide these all basic details, and after providing these all details, you will be able to use your Stripe account. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your account on Stripe. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.